Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will be doing I'll be baking some chocolate cake. I'm not basically doing it from scratch. Further on down in these videos I'll be doing some baking. I'm not a baker, but I can bake, so that's what we're going to be doing today. So let me show you a baking tin. So I'm going to be using a cupcake pan. I don't have flour at the moment, so we're going to just oil it and it's going to come out as perfect as you would do it with the cake and the oil. So first what you're going to do is you're going to put your oven, turn on your oven, turn it up to 350 degrees. Mine stopped at 260 degrees, but that's okay, it's still good enough. Super moist Cakemix butter recipe. So this one you're not going to use oil, you're going to use a butter, 1 stick of butter, 3 eggs, and I have my mixing bowl and my whisk in here. But first we're going to go ahead and melt the butter and have it ready. Okay, so my pan is ready, my cake mix is ready, and let's start pouring in the pan, right? Right, so cupcakes are ready to go in the oven, and if your pan is like this with all this mess, please wipe it off, because that's what caused these ugly colors in the pan, and if I had known earlier it wouldn't look like that. So go ahead and wipe those off and put your cupcakes in the oven. Okay, so first batch is coming out of the oven now. Yeah. So first, don't judge my cupcakes because they look like me. As you can see, because I oil it, look at that. They're still very hot and they just lift up very quickly. See? Alright, so those came out great. Maybe not perfect because they're all over the place. They kind of shape like, look. But they're cute still. So let's get the next batch in and then we're finished. Alright, so remember, my channel is not about being a perfect chef. It's about having fun, loving what you do while you do it, and everything will be okay. If you want to have fun, you play your music, you drink a bottle of Dragon, fine. The perfection comes in when you put love in your food. If you're not putting love in your food, then it doesn't make any sense. The last batch of my cupcakes, see what I'm telling you? I kind of add too much to the something, but what I'm going to do is put around here and take them off so they all look uniform. Okay, see guys, it's all about fun, making mistakes, learn from your mistakes in the kitchen.